Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to check out meat and potato curry, one of my favorite Anglo-Indian recipes. So this recipe has been around for generations and it is one of the common dishes in most Anglo-Indian households. If you're an Anglo-Indian who is watching this, you would definitely get what I'm saying. You can use any meat for this curry. You can use mutton meat or beef. So I will take you step by step through the making of this wonderful recipe. So in this recipe I have taken 300 grams of meat. So I've used all the other ingredients in accordance with the quantity of meat. And we'll need a pressure cooker for this recipe. So into a pressure cooker I'm heating some oil and I add whole spices, that is cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. Let the spices get fragrant in the oil. Then we'll add 1 medium onion thinly sliced. In goes 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. So the raw smell of the ginger and garlic has to go away. And after that, 2 medium tomatoes finely chopped. Cook the tomatoes till they begin to smash up. Add some turmeric, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, salt as required, and a tablespoon of chili powder. And in goes 300 grams of meat. One heaped tablespoon of yogurt or curd. Add 1.5 cups of water, just enough to cook the meat. Close the lid and pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles depending on the meat you have. So this is 2 medium-sized potatoes cut into big cubes like so. Now we'll add just half a cup of water to cook the potatoes. You also might want to check your salt at this point. It might be less, so add accordingly. Now pressure cook this again for 1 more whistle. Wait for the pressure to release completely and then open the lid. Isn't that gorgeous? Our lovely meat and potato curry is ready. We'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. You can serve this with white rice or even fresh hot hoppers. Do share this video around and don't forget to subscribe.